alphabet, capital letter B. Okay, and ये है small letter B. B, sound क्या है? B. Okay, B is for what? तो B for butterfly. B is for butterfly. Butterfly. B is for butterfly. B is for butterfly. B butterfly. B is for butterfly. 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 Yes, तो ये है कलरफुल बटरफ्लाई और ये तो बहुत ही प्यारा है। Butterfly, butterfly. B is for butterfly. Wow! It's beautiful. Butterfly. B butterfly. B is for butterfly. Butterfly. Oh! आओ कलर्स नेम सीखे हम। ग्रीन, pink, dark red, yellow, red, purple color, yellow color, different colors. B is for butterfly. देखो ये है कलरफुल रेनबो बटरफ्लाई. Very very beautiful. Oh, butterfly. B U T T T E R butterfly. S L Y. B is for butterfly. वाओ, आओ हम कलर फिल करें। ग्रीन, पिंक, मैरून, रेड, येलो, wow, it's beautiful. B is for butterfly.